Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be discussing the health benefits of CBD oil.
Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it.
So what is CBD oil? Cannabis oil, also known as CBD, is a hemp-derived CBD oil that is made from high CBD, low THC hemp. Cannabis oil is just 1/85 cannabinoids presently identified in the cannabis plant. THC is only present in trace amounts, while CBD dominates the plant's makeup. CBD is non-psychoactive, which means that it will not get the user high. Research studies have indicated that CBD may be useful in helping with inflammation and chronic pain, neuropathic, etc., reducing anxiety and depression, cancer-related symptoms, may reduce acne, epilepsy, substance abuse or withdrawal, bacterial infections, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, psoriasis, and ALS, and also irritable bowel syndrome. So are there any side effects with CBD oil? Although CBD oil is generally considered safe, it can cause adverse reactions and may interfere with certain medications. Here are some side effects associated with CBD oil: nausea, dry mouth, vomiting, diarrhea, and/or bloating. As always, consult with your physician first. I hope you guys all learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.